Good morning viewers, Ines TV is back to greet you today. We will present a number of the latest news that is certainly interesting, actual and reliable. With me, Sunia Hatina, here's the full news. Breaking news. A United Airlines flight from Israel made an emergency landing in New York on Friday, March 29, 2024 after the plane experienced severe turbulence that required several passengers to seek medical attention. The flight, which was over 10 hours from Tel Aviv to New Jersey, landed at New York Stewart International Airport after experiencing high winds that caused a disturbance on board. The Federal Aviation Administration said United Airlines Flight 85 landed safely at New York Stewart International Airport at approximately 6:45 p.m. local time on Friday, March 29, 2024, after the crew reported a passenger medical emergency. It is reported that the plane was hit by high wind while approaching Newark Liberty International Airport. The plane had been cleared to land at Newark, but the pilot decided to do a go-around when they were about 750 feet off the ground. They told air traffic controllers they had experienced wind shear, which is a sudden change in wind direction, and decided to abort the plane. Low on fuel, the pilots diverted to Stewart International Airport in Newburgh, where paramedics made the flight and tended to more than 2,000 people who were sick in the air. According to New Windsor Ems, 7 passengers with minor injuries were taken to Montefiore Deluxe Cornwall. Some of them reportedly suffered from motion sickness. Ambulance took the most seriously ill patient to local hospital, while the plane refilled to continue its quick and relatively uneventful flight to Newark. Well, that's all the news today. If you want to get more information, you may visit our website on wimstv.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day!